You are watching the MMB Financial News Network with your host Benani Ashraf, broadcasting from Morocco Market Beats, bringing you the eye on the local and international financial news for Friday, September 9th. In our news today, the Casablanca Stock Exchange closed the session and the week in the red, with the Mazi Moroccan All-Share Index dropping 20 basis points to 12,128 points. The same for MSI 20 that fell 0.24% to hold 980 points. And similarly, the thematic index of Casablanca ESG 10 down 26 points at 905 points, with a total trading volume of the day at 136,244,000 Moroccan dirhams, almost a triple of the last Friday's volume. On the other hand, the Casablanca Stock Exchange top gainer during the Friday, September 9th session was Cartier Saada with a 5.52% hike to catch 28 dirhams, while Zellidja as a top loser falling almost 4% at 79 dirhams. Moving to the international markets check now, US stocks rallied on Friday with the major indexes recording their first weekly gain. This recovery is said to be related to previous overselling. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 377 points and 1.19% to catch 32,151 points. The S&P 500 rose 61 points and 1.53% to 4,067 points, and the Nasdaq Composite added 250 points and gained 2.11% to 12,112 points. And that's a look at the closing bull market wrap-up for Friday, September 9th. In our highlights, the death of Queen Elizabeth not only marks the end of an era for the British monarchy, but it will also impact the nation's economy as the mourning period comes with a price tag. The London Stock Exchange is set to close under Operation London Bridge. The Queen's passing is estimated to cost the UK economy billions of pounds, in addition to the changes yet to come, such as the printing of new British currency. At a time of already huge economic and political turmoil, with the economy at risk of going into a drawn-out recession later this year, the Bank of England was supposed to raise interest rates next week to tackle inflation that hit 10.1% in July, a 40-year high and the highest of any leading nation. England's central bank also stated that a weaker outlook for the UK economy, along with a stronger dollar, was sapping pressure on the sterling. Next in our news, Morocco's energy bill is set to reach a record high by the end of the year, as it is expected to exceed 100 billion dirhams due to the rising global fuel prices. According to the Office of Exchanges, the energy bill at the end of last July amounted to approximately 88.1 billion dirhams, compared to 38 billion dirhams in the same period last year, which basically indicates a 130% increase. To illustrate, the energy bill consumes a significant share of Morocco's balanced hard currency required to ensure the needs of goods and services from abroad. And given that Morocco imports closely 90% of its refined energy needs, this directly exposes it to price fluctuations of the international market. Coming up next, here is a look now at foreign currencies and major commodities. And this is all we have for you today. For more on the latest business news, keep it here to MMB Financial News Network. I am Benani Ashraf. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Subscribe and stay classy.